This viral stuff is literally everywhere right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this viral literally everywhere right is worth every single penny. Everyone is talking about it lately because it works exactly as advertised. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it handles heavy usage without any issues, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on side deal before it's completely gone. This viral stuff is